But I'm gonna put some crystals on. Just make a little bit bling. Huh, what didn't even I think? I can even put like a butterflies on it. Like, look at that, so you can do this cute butterflies on. Super cute, if you want to. Just for your information or your preference. And I am going to using a no white top coat, and this no white top coat and unclear condensed glue gel will help grab the base of the crystal, stay in nice place. It's not gonna come off for a good at least 3 weeks. You and the clients can be ensured sit back and relax without have to worry about it's coming off. I think, can you close this one, please? Floating the top coat on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. And so we are going to put some cute crystal AB. Oh, this one is super cute. You can do AB or you can do this one, it's going to be good too. I'm going to put the sticker C on it. Super cute. I'm using probably size SS5 4. The smaller is, you can put the bigger ones on it. Looks cute. It's so tiny on the tray, and they just oh, I need a smaller one. Think it's out here. Can I get some smaller one, please?
Maybe.
Yeah. I think I just need maybe 1 or 2 more. Sorry, I have 1,000 tray around me, and then they was not on my reach at that moment. There you go. You can put the bigger one, or you can put right in the middles. It totally doesn't matter. However you like it and your clients like it. I think it's gonna be stunning if any of you doing press on or glue on set of nails. It's gonna be really gorgeous for this, like you're doing on set, and then you have lace only, and then these 2 ring finger will be rose. So if you're happy with this, we're gonna cure that for 60 seconds, and we're gonna go back and check, see if we have any cracks, like a gap between the crystals. Usually when I place that, and I was doing it really little gently press down, so make sure that the crystal will stay on. Great, so I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. You can do it like that. I know how it's like striped like that, and then you can put your stickers, cute stickers on it, and or you can put the gold beads on it, gold bead between that, the stripe. I think it's gonna look really cool. Hello, thanks so much, lady, for tuning in. Thank you, Janae. Thank you, everyone. Thanks, Amanda, Keja, April, Livras, Moneyback, Sarisa, Shanisa's here. Thanks so much, Oli, Yanni, so many of you. Thanks so much for tuning in. I love the gel glue techniques, and so my clients. Oh, thanks so much, pro lovers. I appreciate it so much. I'm so glad you like it. Let's see, it's premiering on YouTube right now. The unicorn nails. Oh, thank you so much, Sarisa. Hope you like that unicorn nails. All right, so this is great, and because it's all done with the top coat, it's like all done, so you don't have to messing around with this. All you need to do is just to double secure by using precision glue. So just quick and tip and trick, if you are shopping online on Amazon Prime, you can find this precision glue from a Glitz. It's highest quality of the glue gels, and you can find it on our Amazon Primes. It's your convenience, and also you can find that premiums of is condensed glue gel as well at your convenience. If you just need to grab like your precision glue and condensed glue gels, you can get that from Amazon as well at your convenience. Also, if you get other things that you want to pick it up, you can always find all the products that we're using to share tutorials from our official website, glitzaccessoryandsuch.com, and you can also get it from our distributors in Florida. It's nail company. So I think it looks good. I feel in the gap, I feel like I get a little bit of like scratchy. I can feel that, so I squeeze just a little bit. So each time you're using, just squeeze that much. Little bit of glue gels go a long way, so then you can cure under LED lights. And then we also still have a lot of questions that emails and DM were asking about what is the proper way and then the best way to place the crystal without worry about it's coming off. I'm going to share with you the Trifecta. If you have to get one items from the websites and with your product, you don't forget to check this one out, to just take a look and see what you get. Your condensed glue gels in full size, the big size right now, and then a no wipe top coat and your precision glue, and along with your beautiful mega mix crystals, which is mixed in the sizes and the colors. So you have a variety of colors for you. I think I have one of the tray right here with my mixed colors. And that is for beginners if you want to be a good crystal placement. This isn't one of them that I have. Some of them in here, but it's have a lot more in the jars. I pour some in the tray. So you have all variety of colors to play with. Let me wipe this one quick off. So this is for money bags who are asking about the, what do you call this, jelly or sheer nails? Sheer nails. Right here, just the alcohol. I'm gonna wipe it off. Great, so we did like 3 nails so far. This one, the 3rd nail we did, and we did this super cute ones at first, and with our second butterflies with sugar rings. I'm really obsessed with this. I don't know, the black and whites always get me.